And to win over Cyclone fans during today's Pinstripe Bowl may have backfired. Crystal Kastner has more on a rude reception for Santorum in Ames today.
It's great. It's great. Cyclones are ahead. That's the best thing.
No matter what the score, the mood at Buffalo Wild Wings in Ames was contagious.
I want to see Iowa State play back with all the Iowa State fans.
In the last 4 years, we've gone through so much as a Cyclone fan. For now, finally, us to be on a path where we're making bowl games and playing in the postseason is awesome. I think the crowd's part of the fun.
Or it was, until things got a little too crowded for some people's taste. When Senator Santorum showed up in the middle of the bowl game, surrounded by cameras, lights, and media, Cyclone fans were less than thrilled.
I think it's out of control. I want to watch the football game. I like Rick Santorum, but he never show up to an Iowa State bar in the middle of an Iowa State bowl game.
It's rude to drag all of the reporters and the cameras and everything into the middle of the restaurant and want to campaign their caucuses and their forums for that, not in the middle of a restaurant during one of the biggest games that Iowa State has all year.
He just lost about 15 votes from the people who are lined up waiting for his table.
He has like 6 or 7 tables saved over there, and there's all these people waiting for tables. So it's a bummer deal for all these people that want to watch the game and eat.
But despite the distraction, these fans didn't forget the reason they came here in the first place.
Still a great atmosphere, exciting, and everyone here's on the same team, so it's even better.
In Ames, Crystal Kastner, Channel 13 News.